All right, so in this video, we're going to be using our TI84 to calculate our limits. We're going to find the left and the right, and then that's our actual limit. But we're going to be using the numbers themselves, not the picture, the graph. So to do that, we're going to plug our function in as our y. But instead of hitting graph, we're going to be using table. So just like we had to set up the window, now we're going to set up our table set. So you're going to hit second, table set. And right here for table start is what we're going to plug our limit in for our x. Our x is approaching -1. And then for the change in table, we're going to use 0.0001. This gets us really close to -1, like this. So 0.0001. So now when we hit the table, it gives us this. So if I move up, you can see coming in from the left, we're going to get -7. Coming in from the right, it's going to also approach -7, and our limit is -7. So it's giving us our left and our right limit. So our left limit is -7.01, but we're not close there yet. We're going to keep getting closer and closer. So it's -7, -7, -7. That is what our calculator tells us. We're approaching -7, approaching -7. All right, so now let's try this again. We're going to do it with 3 over x minus 3 squared. We're going to plug that in our calculator. So like this. Now our limit is going towards 3. So we're going to go to our table set, and we're going to change that to 3. And then again, second table. Scroll up a bit. And so you can see our value here is undefined at 3, because if you plugged in 3, you get 0, but we don't care. We're looking for the limit. So as we're coming in from the left, we are approaching 3e to the 8. That's 3 with 8 zeros after it. That's infinity. So this would be infinity. And as we're coming in from the right, you can see it's also 3e to the 8. That's infinity. And so if we get left is infinity, right is infinity, that's our limit. It's infinity. So it doesn't exist, it's infinity. All right, let's try the next one now. So we've plugged it in our graph. We go to our table set, and our limit here is 1. So we're looking at 1. So we put in 1 for our table start. Same change in table, it's just a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right. And we scroll up a bit. And so you can see coming in from the left, it's basically 2. Coming in from the right, it's basically 2. So our limit is 2. So coming in from the left, we get 2. From the right, we get 2. So our limit is 2. So that's how we're using it. The top is our coming in from the left, because you can see it's less than 1. And the bottom is coming in from the right because it's more than 1. So we're approaching 2. We're approaching 2. It's 2. All right, one more. Okay, so I've plugged in x plus 3 over x minus 4. X plus 3 over x minus 4. And so now we're going to go to our table set. This time we're approaching 4. And we know if we plugged in 4, we'd get that undefined value. So now when I go to my table, scroll up, you can see this one is -700,000. Wait, that's 7,000, 70,000. -70,000. The other side is 70,000. I guarantee if we just keep plugging in closer and closer. So if we went to our table set here, we put 4 back in there, and we put something like that. Now when we go to our table, you can see it's -7e to the 6 and 7e to the 6. We're getting negative infinity and positive infinity. So coming in from the left, that's the top, we get negative infinity. Coming in from the right, it's positive infinity. See? Positive infinity. And then that means together, it's a definite D and E. We know that this one's going down towards negative infinity. This one's going up towards positive infinity. And if we looked at it the way we did on the previous video by doing the window, we put something really, really close to 4. So like 3.9. And then something on the other side of 4, like 4.1. And then we hit zoom fit. We'll see that graph. And see, coming in from the left, it's negative infinity. Coming in from the right, it's positive infinity. So our table is giving us that same picture as we get from the graph. So that's all you have to do. Set your table set up to be the limit. pick something really close to it. And so then when you hit the table, the middle is 4. There's our error. That's to the left of it, and that's to the right of it. Thank you.